All right, so when I went to Michael's, they were having a lot of sales, all the way up to 70% off on their yarn and products. So I wanted to show you my haul of yarn that I have. And so here's one of them, soft and shiny. And a lot of these, this one I think I only got one for $1.99. And this is the information on it. It's 207 yarns, 4 ounces, and it's medium. And the color is baby rainbow. It's very soft. And when their yarn is, right now I believe they're still having sales. When their yarn is reasonable in cost with their sales, I like to stock up and then use them for many different things. So here's one of them. And another really nice skein of yarn is this one here. It's cozy baby yarn, pattern included, and loops and threads. I do believe that this one was $5.99, valued at $9.99. A lot of them were $5.99. If you go in there, that's the sales that they're having right now. It's perfect timing because their stores were closed for so long. It's nice to go in there and look at their sales. This one's 70% acrylic and lightweight 3, 4. Now I'm doing a giveaway. After all of these yarns, whomever the winner is, I'm going to pick one of the skein of yarns and send it your way. So all you have to do is comment down below something crochet related, perhaps something you're working on. Make sure you're a subscriber. Maybe you could tell me any videos that you are looking for that you haven't found on YouTube. I could put it on my list of things to do for videos. Okay, so here is another one. This one I think I only did get for $1.99, $1.99. So it's soft and shiny, another one of those. Medium 4 and 100% acrylic. This one's very, very soft, a really pretty pink. Now this one I bought as an extra one. My daughter wanted me to make her a blanket, so I ended up getting a bunch of these, so I'm making her a blanket right now. Very, very soft. This is baby crushed velvet. I think these ones are only $5.99 too, and they were originally $9.99. So this one's a 4, polyester, 100%, 10.5 ounces, 300 grams. Yarn Inspirations, hazy aqua. Very, very, very pretty. And then sometimes I'll take these for ideas. So I found this one and it's free and I took it. It's for loops and threads. If you ever go in there, you can always grab these and you'll have patterns. This is more that I bought. Karen, I think this one was only $5.99. Karen Cotton Cakes. Very nice cotton. Very pretty color. Green, it's rich mint. And here is their information. A 4, machine washable, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, and 8.8 ounces. Now it feels really nice. I love this color. I can't wait to use this for something. And now here is another one. It's very similar to the other one, just different colors. So look how pretty these colors are. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors, and the name for this is Grape Jam. Very pretty. And Snuggly Wuggly loops and threads, 446 yards, 5 ounces. This one I bet you I think I only got for $5.99. A lot of them were $5.99. And light 3, very nice soft pink color. I really love this pink color. And my other daughter wanted me to use this color, like a white cream. This is just like the other one I just showed for her blanket. So now I'm working on 2 blankets. I want to make them 2 blankets. Very, very, very soft. They wanted these because it's so soft. And the blanket, I'll show you in one of my videos. I believe I just took it right off of one of these patterns. I did a video on Feels Like Butter, if you've ever seen it. And so I grabbed one of these again, very soft pink, 590 yards, medium, and very pretty soft color. It's pink rose. 9.7 ounces, 275 grams, 590 yards. Okay, so these are all the yarns that I grabbed while I was at Walmart. And then I was just in there again and grabbed a few more things. So I'm just going to grab one of these, send it your way. Once you're the winner, comment down below and something crochet related, be a subscriber, and in a couple of weeks in the title is listed when you need to come back and watch the video for who the winner is. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.